Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will draw this beautiful mandala, beautiful geometrical mandala. Let's begin. First, we have to find the center of the paper. I have drawn this in A5 paper. A5, this is 170 GSM. So I have drawn the outer I have drawn the borders, and then from the borders taken the exact measurement and uh, found out the measurement, center point. Now the square is altogether of 2 centimeters. You have to take 1 centimeter from each point how I have measured. Like that, you have to draw it. So altogether, I have I'm mentioning the measurement also altogether. And the square is of 2 centimeter altogether. So now from the square part, you can see I'm just drawing the diagonal lines over here. And then I'm connecting 2 points, to all the center point from the center point. So you can see from the center point, it is 3 centimeter. So from 2 centimeters, I have marked it again. And the last point of it, we have to connect all these and form a diamond. So just follow the instruction, however I'm doing it accordingly in the video. You can just follow it and you can just draw it. So from the diamond shape, the point of the diamond, from 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter you have to measure, and you have to draw the half circles over to the 4 corners of it. These will create the floral pattern of the mandala inside it. So all the 4 corners you have to first draw thus semicircles. How I am doing it, just follow accordingly. Measurement also I have told you in the video, so accordingly you can go ahead. Even if you want to draw in for a A4 sheet, accordingly you can just measure it. Accordingly you can take the bigger measurements accordingly. So if it is 2 centimeter, you can take for 4 centimeters. Like that you can do. The side of it, what I'm doing it right now, that is just random. There is no measurement, just randomly I'm creating it. And lastly, what I will do, inner pattern, inner layout also, one more circle I'm giving it with the pencil. Same thing with compass only I'm using it. So you can also just go ahead and copy the same instruction what I'm doing. Even if you want some other designs also, you can do it. So I will give another border layout of it. I'm just giving the outer layout of it. For the diamond which I have done, all the two lines I will be giving it, so that we can create a nice look over it. So the random circle, according to my cycle, the center of the random circle, I will be drawing it. And the 4 corners, whatever I am doing, the design and all I am doing, that are random circles accordingly. So you can just check it and you can just do it. No measurements I have taken, just a random thing. Now what I will do, with point 3, I have taken Amris brand pen. Any fine liner pen you can take it according to the flow of the ink. You can take it. I would suggest take 0.3 pen for these outlines. If you have a pen compass, you can use it with the pen compass, or else you can just draw the outline slowly, with your hands. With your hand itself, no need of compass also. I have the compass, so I'm using it. If you need any compass regarding this, I can suggest you can find it in you can just say mention as pen mandala in Amazon or Flipkart, you'll get it. If you're not able to find it, you can just ask me in comment. I will recommend you the links. So the outline completely I'm giving it from point 3 pen, any fine liner. Just make sure that the flow of your ink is good, it is not bleeding. So accordingly you can just go ahead and you can give it. So the inner circle also, one more circle I have given, and remaining outline, other outline and all, I have done it with the hands only. So from inside the square, we will draw the pattern how I am doing it. You can just follow that. And this particular thing, lines patterns only I'm giving it. The video would be little bit fast forward in settings. If you're not able to understand in settings, you can go and slow the speed, and you'll be able to understand that. So just go ahead and do this pattern is done. Here I will be drawing the floral pattern. So you can just see here, only one pattern everywhere I will be showing it. Otherwise the video will be dragging too much, so that's the reason. Okay, so inside also line pattern I have given one more layer, and whatever the negative fillings, okay, that and all we will be filling the negative fillings. Remaining place will be there, right? That we will give the black color. And the inner circle I have given circle, okay, inside another one more layer outerly I will be creating it, and these particular floral patterns I'm giving it one just a spiral and two leaf patterns I'm just giving it over here. Okay, that will be followed to the other three circles also, the semicircles also. Okay, the negative filling also you have to give. Then the inner part of it, both the sides, okay, like a leaf pattern I have created, and here also whatever the leftover space is there, negative space, I will be filling it. The outer circle which I have given over here, these kind of patterns I'm drawing it, a kind of zentangle pattern only. Okay, so in mandala we can use the patterns from zentangles also, line pattern, circles, petals, everything. So you can see over here lines only mostly I have used it, very less patterns, and repeated patterns only I have used it over here. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, okay, I will be uploading drawing and other reviews and other things also, okay, related to art and other things. So you can just follow, you can subscribe my channel, okay, for further video. In between I have not put other videos, I know. So going further, the videos will be uploaded frequently regarding the artworks or any other reviews, okay, and everything. So down also you can see the borders, it's a quite simple one, you can just follow it, and just go ahead and do all the corners. So nicely we have created this border also. So I have taken an acrylic pen, okay, acrylic marker I have taken, and I have given red because I love this red. So that's the reason. So like this we have created this beautiful mandala. Just tell me in comments how do you like. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and like and share.